Okay guys, it's July 17th and these birds here, boy, they're kind of late I think, but anyway, there's some over in my other neighborhood that have already flown away, and these guys are still really little. I'm gonna show you. They're cute little buggers. Mom's flying around getting mad at me. Okay, I'm almost done. Don't want to touch them because I don't want my scent on them. They look like they're asleep right now. I can see them breathing. Yeah, you can see them moving and breathing, but boy, they're tiny. Still getting feathers there on that guy. Wow, these are new. Pretty new chicks here. Mama's getting mad at me out here flying around. I'll see if I can get her on it. Anyway, I like stuff like this. Yeah, cute little birds. Okay, don't want to get my scent around it. Let's see if we can get mom. Oh, there's mom and dad. Okay. Mom's flying around, gonna try to get me to get out of here, but it looks like mom and dad. That's probably dad or mom. Probably mom flying around trying to get me out of here, but there they both are, sitting on them rocks. So I'm gonna back out of here and leave them alone, and hopefully you guys enjoy them. Talk to you later. Bye.